Hey, and welcome back to Trendy Boutique. So basically today I'm going to show everybody how to do a knockout design. I've gotten a lot of requests on this particular design, mainly because it's Mother's Day and this design has just been really popular. So I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. So I'm just going to move this out of the way. That's just a guide so you can actually see what it will look like when we're done. So first we're going to start off by entering our text. So I'm going to change my font. And I think for the original design, I used Arial. So we're just going to go with Arial, ungroup, and group it to resize it. And then I'll just make it pretty big for now so you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to change my color. And then I'm going to enter my text for the names. And to actually get all these names on one line, I just changed my font size. I used 48, and then I'm going to paste my heart in from my previous, from where I traced it. Resize my heart. Uh-oh, too small. Put it in place. And then a quick way that I learned you can duplicate an image instead of copy and paste every single time is just um, be sure that your image is selected. Hold down your Alt key and move your image. So we're going to do that again. Alt and move. Now my next step is to weld this text together so that everything is grouped. So there we go. And now I want to change my color to gray, or dark gray. Alright, now we're going to place it over our actual mom text and resize it to fit how we want it to look. And I think that's pretty good. So our next step is going to be to create an offset, and by creating an offset, that's how we're going to get this spaced look between the children's names and the mom text. So just be sure you only have this part selected. We're going to go to our offset panel, which is the star with an outline around it, and we're going to click offset. And the offset distance that I used for this particular design was 0.060. And if you hit enter, you can actually see what it looks like before you apply the offset. I think that looks pretty good, so I'm just going to go with it. So I'm going to click apply, and then I'll come out of there. Now I'm going to move my original text away. Just going to put it down here. I'm going to highlight this, and now I'm going to subtract my offset from my bigger letters. So go back to our modify panel, and we're going to hit subtract. And as you see, it took those spaces away from where my offset was. Before I do anything with this, I want to be sure that it's all grouped together. Now I can take my names and put them back in their original spot. And you can kind of use your arrows to maneuver your words. And there we have it. So we'll group this, and now I'm going to enter the established date, 2008. Ungroup and group it back together, and I'm just going to resize it a little bit. can change my color. And then in order to see, if you want to just kind of get a visual of what it will look like based on the color background or t-shirt or whatever you're creating, whatever color that's going to be, you can just create an image from your shapes panel. And now you can see what it will look like. So there's your knockout design. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below the video. If this video did help you, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and there will be more tutorials to come. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.